The distance form of a line. The equation of line passing through point x1 comma y1 and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis of x-axis is x minus x1 by cos theta equal y minus y1 by sin theta equal r. Suppose it is line x1 comma y1 point, and this line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, and r is the distance of the point x comma y on the line from the point x1 comma y1. Means if it is x1 comma y1 and here it is a point x comma y, then the distance between x comma y and x1 comma y1 is r. Question number 16. Find the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through the point 1 comma 2 so that its point of intersection with the line x plus y equal 4 may be at a distance of root 2 by 3 from this point. Let the required line, let the straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis then equation of line x minus x1 by cos theta equal y minus y1 by sin theta equal r. Value of r is root 2 by 3. Suppose it is point 1 comma 2 and this line makes theta angle, it is theta angle, and it intersect the line x plus y equal 4 it is x plus y equal 4, and the distance between this point and the intersection point is root 2 by 3. It is root 2 by 3. Now find value of x and y. It is x comma y. It is x1 comma y1. Then value of x is 1 plus root 2 by 3 cos theta, and value of y is 2 plus root 2 by 3 sin theta. Means it is point x1 comma y1. xy point is at a distance of root 2 by 3 from x1 comma y1, and x comma y is the intersection of x plus y equal 4 and straight line. Since this point lie on x plus y equal 4, means point x comma y lie on x plus y equal 4, then this point will satisfy the equation. Means 1 plus root 2 by 3 cos theta, 2 plus root 2 by 3 sin theta equal 4. We have cos plus sin. 1 plus 2 3, 3 4 minus 3 1, and it is root 3 by 2. Now on squaring both sides, we have cos square plus sin square plus 2 sin cos equal 3 by 2. Cos square plus sin square is 1. 2 sin theta cos theta is formula of sin 2 theta equal 3 by 2. Then sin 2 theta is equal 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is equal to sin 30 degree or sin 150. Then theta 2 theta equal 30 degree or 150 degree, and theta equal 15 degree or 75 degree.